Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm finally lowering the car. As you can see, the fitment is pretty decent. It's pretty flush, but I still have like at least, so on this side I have 3 fingers, and on this side I have 3 fingers as well. So the goal, I think, with those H&R lowering springs is gonna be 1.25 inch. So here they are. These are the sports one, not the super sport. Hopefully they get a job done in lowering it and they make it still drivable. Hopefully it's fine, and yeah, I'll see you guys at the shop. Alright guys, I'm at the shop. I'm gonna drop her and it should take the whole day at that shop here. They offered me a pretty decent price on the lowering springs compared to everybody around here. Yeah, the car is a little bit tilted on that side, so it looks lower here, but it is actually absolutely not. So yeah, let's see what it looks like later. Alright, see you guys. Alright guys, the car is right here, and let's check it out with the lowering spring. It looks sick. This is what I'm talking about. In the back, it's a finger. It's looking great. I will show you guys more picture whenever this SUV is out of the way and I move the car. I'm gonna drive it. But Jesus Christ, that's nice. In the front, let's see, in the front should be a little bit, yeah, it's nice and tucked in. The wheels are a little bit turned, so I get some better angles in a second. But it definitely is looking a lot lower. Jeez, like there's, okay, the 4 finger, it's okay. I expected it a little bit higher, but it's fine. Oh damn, those H&Rs are lit. Alright guys, I'll show you some more pictures whenever I get home. Alright, so here are the pictures. Here's a nice one from the back. You can really see the drop in the rear. Now here's another one where you actually see the rear on the left and the front is on the right. Then a little overall, and you can pause it if you need to. Just comment down below what you think about it. Alright guys, so there it is. It definitely looks a lot better. The wheel arches are filled. The front is a little bit higher. Like I said, I'm on my driveway. The road here is a little bit rounded, so it's about the same. It's just the front looks a little bit higher right now, but it's not too bad. I had to get it up with a bigger angle than usual, obviously, and I scraped a little bit, and that's the compromise. But basically, yeah, in the front before it was about like 3 massive fingers. Now it's 1. There's no place for 2 at all. It's just 1. And in the rear, it's a little bit lower, but it's still, you know, it's like 1. But I can definitely let my finger is definitely squeezed a little bit more here. So it's definitely 1 and 1, which gives it a nice flush look. I have 15 millimeters spacer in the front and 20 millimeter in the back. It's flush. It's completely straight. I love it for daily driving. I think it looks the best, in my opinion. Of course, sometimes pokey is not too bad, or a little bit tucked in, yeah, with a little bit of camber would be fine. But there's a slight angle right now of camber just because the car is lowered, so obviously the control arm is just bent a little, but it still looks pretty good in my opinion. So yeah, anyway, next video I'm probably gonna try to get some diffuser action over there in the middle. I think the back is a little bit bland. Those diffusers here, the carbon fiber ones, are way too expensive for what they are. I think they look the best, but it's just that I'm not ready to spend $600 for that. I might do a carbon cleaning, a more maintenance oriented modification, I mean maintenance basically, and then a DIY for a nice engine bay cleaning with some brushes, purple power, and I mean, I'll show you guys how to do it. So I'll do a DIY soon on that, so stay tuned. Yo, what's up guys? So as you can see right now, it's 8 a.m. My face, you can tell, and it's been about 2 weeks since I've installed those lowering springs. So far they've been great. They lowered the car a solid amount. The car looks much better. The ride height is exactly what I wanted. Now in terms of comfortability, the cores, the lowering springs are a lot stiffer, which means that right now I'm cornering, I don't feel anything. Like, it's the car, the body roll is almost gone. And this is a 4,000 pound car, so the lowering springs did an amazing job at it. So it's like the car is a lot more responsive as well, since obviously the suspension is a lot stiffer. And then, I mean, the comfortability is not that, it's not that much of a compromise. Like, okay, it's a little bit stiffer and you feel the bumps a little bit more, but compared to what you're getting in terms of I mean, stiffness, it's day and night. So I would really recommend them. 10 out of 10. Bang for the buck is great. It's like 230 or 200 something, somewhere around that. And I mean, they're about maybe 250 to 350 to install. I paid around 350 with an oil change and something else, because at the same time I was like, okay, let's just do it, guys. So yeah, perfect. So recommended 10 out of 10, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah,